Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So today I will be doing a quick weave, but it will be a skip and add quick weave the old school way. It's been a minute since I've done this. I actually was going to start out doing just a weave ponytail, but I changed my mind. So I did end up putting a little bit too much oil in my hair. So I put the tea tree oil in my hair, and I did spray it with some blow dry spray and then a thermal spray. I do like that oil, but just not to wear my hair down. I should have put a little less oil in it. But this oil is great for growing your hair. This has helped me grow my hair really well. I will actually go ahead and put everything out down in the description. So if you want to purchase from my Amazon store, you can. Here I am just pressing my hair out. Like I said, I had planned to do this for a ponytail, but for this style, I would still recommend pressing your hair if you are natural. This is the hair that I use. I just found this. I believe it's like a synthetic mix. Or it might just be full yaki. I have to double check. But this hair was only $6.99. $6.99 was on the pack. So I don't know where I got this from, but it must have been on sale somewhere. And I figured if I'm doing this little quick, cheap style just to last for a week, why not use something cheap instead of spending more money? So I like to keep it affordable. So here I am just adding a little bit of glue along with the Pump It Up spray and just adhering that to my hair. And being that it actually ended up working out with me having the oil in there, because I know it's going to slip out whenever I get ready to take it out. So I probably will just add just a little bit of oil or conditioner to it, and it should slip right out. It also helped it to blend very well, but I do feel like it was just a little bit too much oil. Would have had a little bit more movement without the oil in there, but it still turned out pretty good. As you can see, I'm putting it in, just going in between my hair, kind of like how they do the clip-ins. So that's what it kind of reminds me of. And so here I'm just continuing to just repeat the process. So I put the glue and the spritz on. And I just wanted to just add pretty much just a little bit of length to my hair just to give it something different, because it is still growing out of the short style that I had, and the top has not reached the back yet. So once that reaches the back or gets closer to it, I will feel more comfortable wearing my hair. So I do wear it sometimes, but it's just not easy to manage. I have to end up curling it every day, and so I've just been trying to find ways to not have to touch it. And so this was a great hairstyle for me. Here I am now almost done. I finished the other side where my part is, and I'm just finishing up the top here. And then also, once you have added the glue and the spritz to the track and you've adhered it to your hair, you want to go in with a blow dryer to just make sure that it is dry. And then just throughout it, I had actually curled my hair too. I just didn't know what I wanted to do with my hair. So, but you just saw me just kind of going in and straightening my hair and just kind of blending that in together. And I just kind of did that while I was adding the tracks to my hair to make sure that all the pieces were blended. And I actually like it like this. I felt like it looked really natural. I felt like it looked like my hair. And so I was already just loving how the style was coming along. I feel like it fits my face, so I can't wait until my hair gets longer. I know that I'm going to want to cut it off, but I guess we'll see. And I decided to just go in and just kind of clip the ends. I kind of hate that I did. I feel like maybe I should have just got my razor comb and just kind of razored the ends a little bit so it wouldn't be so straight. But this style still lasted me for a week, and it did what I needed it to do, and how they say it gave what it needed to give. So I was satisfied with it. And I know I've been talking throughout this whole video, so I'll let you guys continue watching, and I'll be back towards the end. Hey guys, so this is me heading to church the next day. So I did have to bump it a little bit, but I still enjoyed this style. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.